Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 19th century item belonging to the British India Empire, also known as British Raj. This coin was struck in the year 1889, the year in which Eiffel Tower was officially opened in Paris. Now coming to the coin, as you can see, the denomination of this coin is half pice. The name of the country is India. The year is 1889. All these three things are surrounded by a circle of beads, which are in turn surrounded by intertwined leaves. The material composition of this coin is copper. At the back of this coin, there is a bust of Queen Victoria facing left, along with the lettering Victoria Empress. Queen Victoria was the Queen of United Kingdom and Ireland, and she was also the Empress of India during this period. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.